For homeowners in Weston, maintaining a safe and comfortable home is always a top priority. As one of Massachusetts' most desirable residential areas, Weston offers beautiful neighborhoods and a strong sense of community. But home security remains an important consideration for every resident. One of the most effective ways to strengthen that security is through professional door replacement. Your home's doors are the first line of defense against potential intruders and the elements. Over time, even high-quality doors can weaken, warp, or lose their effectiveness. Replacing outdated or damaged doors with modern, reinforced options is a smart investment that offers peace of mind while enhancing your home's overall look and efficiency. Here's how door replacement plays a vital role in improving home security across Weston neighborhoods. Replacing weak or worn-out doors strengthens protection. Older doors, especially those made from wood, tend to deteriorate over time due to temperature changes, moisture exposure, and everyday wear. Cracks, gaps, or warping can compromise the door's structure, making it easier to force open or break through. A new, professionally installed door eliminates these vulnerabilities. Modern materials such as fiberglass, steel, or solid composite are engineered for strength and durability, offering far greater resistance to impact and tampering than traditional wood doors. Fiberglass and steel doors, in particular, are popular among Weston homeowners for their resistance to splitting, cracking, and bending, giving families a stronger barrier against unwanted entry and harsh weather alike. Advanced locking systems offer enhanced security. Another major advantage of replacing your doors is the ability to upgrade your locking systems. Many older homes in Weston still feature basic single-bolt locks that can be easily compromised. Modern entry doors often come equipped with multi-point locking mechanisms, which secure the door at several points along the frame instead of just one. This design makes it significantly harder for intruders to pry or kick the door open. Homeowners can also integrate smart lock technology, allowing remote access control through smartphones or voice assistants. This not only adds convenience but also lets you monitor who enters and exits your home, a valuable feature for busy families. Combined with durable hinges and reinforced strike plates, these upgrades deliver a level of protection far beyond traditional locks. Reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass. It's not just the door slab that affects security, the frame and surrounding structure are equally important. During a professional door replacement, experts evaluate the entire frame to ensure it's reinforced and properly anchored to the wall. Upgrading to steel or composite frames can dramatically improve resistance to forced entry. If your door design includes glass panels, impact-resistant or laminated glass options provide light and style without sacrificing safety. These specialized glass types are designed to remain intact even when struck, deterring break-ins and protecting against debris during storms. For Weston homeowners, who value both elegance and protection, these advanced features combine aesthetics with peace of mind. Weatherproofing and energy efficiency add an extra layer of protection. While security is the main focus, energy efficiency and weatherproofing go hand in hand with modern door replacement. A properly sealed, insulated door prevents drafts and reduces heating and cooling loss, an important benefit during Weston's cold winters and humid summers. Tightly sealed doors also make it more difficult for intruders to manipulate the frame or hinges, adding another layer of physical security. In addition, energy-efficient doors help lower utility costs while keeping your home more comfortable year-round. The importance of professional installation. Even the strongest door won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Improper fitting can leave gaps or misalignments that compromise both security and energy efficiency. That's why working with experienced local installers is essential. Weston professionals understand the town's architectural styles and building standards, ensuring each replacement door blends seamlessly with your home while delivering optimal performance. They'll ensure locks align perfectly, frames are reinforced, and all components function smoothly, guaranteeing your new door provides reliable protection for years to come. Final thoughts for Weston homeowners: door replacement isn't just about style or curb appeal. It's a vital step in enhancing home security. Modern materials, multi-point locks, and reinforced frames combine to create a powerful defense against intruders and the elements alike. By choosing professional installation and high-quality materials, you can enjoy a safer, more energy-efficient home that also looks beautiful from the street. Investing in a secure, well-installed door is more than a home improvement. It's a long-term commitment to your family's comfort and safety.